Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Standard 9, English Bridge Course, Activity 8. Students, what is the process of writing on any topic? First of all, we decide the topic, then collect the information, make an outline and plan our writing. Then we start writing by a simple draft, review it, edit and then make the finalize format. Okay, this activity will enable you to write a coherent and meaningful paragraph through the process of drafting, revising, editing and finalizing. What you have to do? You have to read the instructions for activity carefully. You have to complete the activity as per demo. Make use of the language support given in the brackets. Learning activity 1. Find the good qualities of your best friend. Some adjectives are given here describing words. Language support. These words will help you to describe your best friend. Write meaningful paragraph about your friend with the help of above qualities. We can also make use of the given conjunctions. See the para, my best friend. I have many friends, but Bharti is my best friend. Since our childhood, we study and play together. Bharti is very hardworking as well as an honest girl. She has a helping nature. She never gets angry with anyone. She always looks happy. She is tall and slim. She is very punctual in her work. Bharti is kind as well as polite. Yet, sometimes she gets angry when someone lies. I like her company very much. There are so many good things which can be learnt from Bharti. My best friend we have described. Then, frame sentences using conjunctions such as but, thus, still, although and write a paragraph about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher. There are many teachers in our school who teach us very well. But Shilpa teacher is my most favorite teacher. She teaches us science. Her method of teaching is so nice that we can easily understand the most difficult part of the lesson very well. She shows us experiments, gives demo and guides us to do the experiments. She develops a scientific outlook in her students. She points out number of day-to-day activities and relates them with our science book. She has created in me a great interest for botany that every time I go on searching about the various characteristics of plants. I have decided my aim in life. I want to be a botanist when I grow up. I am very thankful to my favorite Shilpa teacher for her kind, calm and loving nature. You can mention any other qualities, any other things which you like in your favorite teacher. Okay. The next activity, write likes and dislikes. Use the points given below. Food, sports, subjects, habits, tourist places, etc. For example, I like English. You can say I like maths, I like science and so on. I don't like to wake up early in the morning. Your dislikes you can mention here. Okay. Write a paragraph about your school. Name of your school, number of teachers, playground, library, school activities and the favorite things you like. What about in your school? What did I learn today? I learned new words like rude, talkative. I learned new conjunctions, however, according to, etc. Then, write a coherent and meaningful paragraph through the process of drafting, revising, editing and finalizing. What you have to do, students? You have to look at the picture and describe the picture with the help of given points. The adjectives are given here. Big animal, grey color, very strong, white long teeth, long trunk, big ears and small eyes. Describe an elephant. An elephant is a very big animal. It has big legs and large ears, but eyes are small. It has a long trunk and long white teeth. It looks attractive with grey color. Its trunk is very useful. It raises its trunk and trumpets. Drinks water with the help of its trunk. It can pick up even a very small thing like a pin with its trunk, as well as it can carry heavy loads. Elephants live in groups and herds in the forest. They can be tamed for work and they are trained to perform in circus. It is a very intelligent animal and very useful to man. Then one more picture and its description. A huge shady tree. Many branches are there, sweet mangoes, huge trunk, green branches, evergreen tree. Describe a huge mango tree. There is a huge shady mango tree in our farm. It is very attractive with lush green branches and huge trunk. Many birds chirp around. Nowadays, its branches are loaded with green mangoes. Everyone in our family is eagerly waiting for the mangoes to ripe. Mango pickle, mango juice and special mango vadi are like a feast. Throwing stones and picking up raw mangoes is a great fun for us. We also like to climb this tree. Students, in the extension activity, you have to describe the market scene. Make use of the given points. Marketplace, crowdy, many shops, hawkers, fruits and vegetable. And whatever you see in the market, go on describing the market scene. This is Lakshmi Market, where mostly food items are sold. It is situated in the heart of the city and very close to my house. It is an interesting place and I like to go there. The stalls in the market are small and crowded. The stall owners are very friendly. In the mornings and evenings, the market is crowded. Everyone is busy with buying provisions for the family. The scene is very colorful because variety of things are sold here. There are some spicy smells and some sweet smells. Fresh fruits and vegetables are arranged attractively. There is hustle and bustle all the time. Noise is the most remarkable thing about this market. Go on describing other things which you see in the market where you regularly visit. In the same way, you have to describe your town, village or colony. Make use of the given points. Students, you do this activity on your own. The points are given: countryside, roads, trees, mountains, river, well, people, profession, temple and mosque. Go on describing a village. Okay. I learned some new adjectives today and I learned how to describe a picture with the help of given adjectives. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.